Hey students, so let's proceed with the third part of second chapter, the tsunami. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast of in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be noticed to come back out. So, a lot of things happened in the coastal area of India and Sri Lanka. It was believed that many animals were able to sense some natural activities going on the surface of earth, like earthquake, landslides, or even the tsunami waves, which are about to be hit after 5 or 10 minutes. So all these animals given here, like flamingos, elephants, dogs, they were very well aware that something bad is going to happen. So what did they do? Some of them didn't come out of their house. Some of them went inside their cages, and some of the birds, like for example flamingos, wherever their breeding areas were there, they left those areas and flew away from their places. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to feel or hear the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. According to science, the animals have larger hearing capacity. The humans can hear from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, that is their audible range. But the animals can hear a lot more than that. They have a wide range of hearing capacity, the frequency. So what we cannot hear can be heard by these animals in form of sound or vibration. So they can realize what's going on, but we humans cannot. In some circumstances, we humans have to depend upon the behavior of these animals. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. So this thing what they have given here in this paragraph, this is something peculiar. However, the news channels are going to report only the death of people because that is what they care. They don't really care about the death of animals and all. Okay, and they won't be going to search the animal corpses or dead bodies. So as a result, whenever this tsunami was being hit in some of the countries, there were reports of people, means the humans, like 150,000 people were being killed, but they never reported anything about dead animals. Most of them might have saved their life or ran away from the upcoming catastrophe. So let's continue. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. So this is a comparison of survival amongst some of the life forms. People were perished, means they were killed, but some of the animals like buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. They were still alive somehow. So one incident happened in one of the national parks in Sri Lanka. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards, and 130 different species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangala beach inside the park, but no animal carcasses were found, except for two water buffaloes about an hour before the tsunami hit. People at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patanangala beach. So this is one incident where the animals were about to feel that they are going to hit by a tsunami wave. As the people witnessed here in the national park, 3 elephants were running away from the beach because they know that water is going to hit them in the form of large tsunami. So very less amount of animals were being killed in this incident. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lived on the coast near Gal said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. Somehow the dogs, which are the animals with greater hearing capacity, they were about to sense that something is going on or is about to happen near the beach. So they skipped their daily routine and didn't go out from the house itself. So the house owner, he says something like this. So the dogs, they are usually excited to go on this outing. But on that particular day, that is 26th December, they refused to go and most probably saved his life. So the dogs saved themselves as well as the life of the owner also. Okay, so this ends the chapter. Remaining things we shall discuss in the coming classes. Thank you.